In this video, I'm going to tell you about easy delivery side hustles where you use your own vehicle. So let's get into it. So the first website we're looking at is called DeliverThat, and it's ideliverthat.com. And what do they have to offer? First, in-class support, professional driver network, higher pay, and driver benefits. I know the pay is important. DeliverThat's average compensation per delivery is over $30. DeliverThat is a catering delivery business. So, how do you get started? You're going to register online. Once you register online, you will go through a driver screening. If everything checks out, you can hit the road. The second step is to acquire the equipment. You must purchase your own delivery bags to maintain food quality. And then the third step is to start taking deliveries. Grab deliveries that fit your availability and comfort level. So, how do you start? You click become a driver, and it'll bring us to this page. So, let's just click the first position. Same day, catering delivery driver, paid twice weekly. So, why should you drive with us? You can read with that. I will not bore you. But it does say the average pay is $35 here, and that's good. Um, Want to make the most of your DeliverThat experience? Here's what you'll need to have. Be comfortable using a smartphone. You must be comfortable using your vehicle to deliver the orders. Be legally eligible to work in the United States. Be 21 years of age or older. Have or purchase at least 2 insulated catering bags and a clear 5-year MVR. Engage in support with the team. Take pride in your servant's service and appearance, and use their driver app for problem solving and maximizing earnings. You will be a 1099 independent contractor. And pretty much when you're ready to apply, you will click apply there and apply. So the next delivery company on the list is called Delivered, DLIVRD, and they are a last mile delivery solutions company. So they deliver for a variety of industries, including catering, e-commerce on demand, and meal kit. So that's routed deliveries. How it works, they have live tracking, multiple integrations across several platforms. Drivers are matched for specific jobs, and they have flexible delivery solutions. So, how do we apply? We're going to go here to drivers, drive, and click drive with us. Their application process, as you see, is pretty simple and self explanatory. Fill out this information. Do you have a valid driver's license, legally eligible to work in the US, and comfortable with using your vehicle for deliveries? You fill that out and submit it, and you're on your way. Now, I did a little research. They pay $35 per delivery, and how you get paid is Monday through Friday. If you deliver on Monday, you'll get paid on the next day, the next banking day. Any deliveries that take place from Friday to Sunday will get paid the following Monday. Our third delivery company on the list is called Curry. Deliveries done on your terms. Join, drive, and get paid. With Curry, you'll be delivering construction materials. They are a nationwide network. They have flexibility. You earn on your own schedule, and you get daily opportunities sent to you on your phone. Let's scroll down. Now, you have two choices. You can sign up as a gig driver. We'll click here. As a gig driver, you'll get instant payouts, create your own schedule, make money with your car, SUV, or truck. Now, if you choose carrier/courier, You will place bids, make cash today. So it's instant payouts. Reoccurring and dedicated work, meaning they have dedicated routes, no fees, 100% free to sign up. Now, I did some digging on this particular app in this website. For deliveries, you get paid between $10 to $30 per delivery. It's not a standard fee, it's not set. So it just varies. The fourth company we're going to look at is called Shipt, SHIPT. So let's get into it. Get paid fast. You get paid for completing routes every Friday or use instant pay to immediately transfer what you earn to your bank. Now, let's see, put that cargo space to use. You have to have space and they have packages. You'll basically be picking up packages and groceries. So you do need to have space. So start earning in 4 quick steps. What you'll do is reserve your route, pick up your packages, hit the road, and get paid. They are available in several states, as you see. And as far as the questions on the requirements, you must be at least 18 years old, have a valid mailing address, a driver's license, a social security number, and auto insurance, a reliable vehicle, and it cannot be a 2-door sedan. You must be able to lift 50 pounds, have a smartphone, an iPhone or Android 7 or newer. So, let's see. What's the difference between personal shopping and package delivery? Shoppers go into the store location to shop and pick up items for a customer's order. Then they leave the store to deliver the order directly to the customer within an hour delivery window. Driver goes to a designated Target pickup location to load packages into the car. Then they drop off the packages. So it's basically simple. What do I need to successfully submit my information? All you need is a working smartphone in 10 minutes. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. This is important. Can I drive someone else's car while driving with Shipt? You do not have to have your own car while driving. However, you do need to be on the insurance policy of the car that you are driving. So that's Shipt. You'll sign up here, click there, and go through the process. And the fifth website we're going to look at is Roadie, and they have an app. Roadie is a UPS company, so they're credible. So it's basically easy to sign up. You can sign up on the app or the website. You're going to enter your name, your email, confirm your email. It's that easy. Once you confirm, you drive when and where you want. You choose the deliveries that you want, and you choose individual or multi-stop deliveries. Okay, it's up to you. You will earn $12 per trip, and you can unlock higher payouts. Roadie, you can make a lot of money, a lot of money. Before you take a trip, you'll see the exact pay up front. If you have a larger vehicle, you have better opportunities. It's instant cash out and no minimum vehicle standards. Once you sign up, you start driving today. I know personally that Roadie partners with pharmacies. So there is lots of work. You're constantly delivering because pharmacies offer prescription delivery. Big stores, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Target, all of those pharmacies. So if you sign up with Roadie, you'll be on the go, and it can be great money. It just depends how much you want to drive.